Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine by the grace of Allah. This video is about tag, labels, care symbol for clothing and textile products. Being a textile student or a consumer, it is important for you to understand these tag, labels and care symbols which are attached with the textile products. A brand label is usually a small piece of fabric which is stitched with the product to share customer care information or information about the brand or company like its logo, its slogan or website address. The labels on the product reflect company or brand psyche, its quality of the product, its target audiences to some extent. Brand labels makes their product unique and stand out in a queue. Different types and sizes of labels are used with the products. This depends upon the amount of information which is to be shared with the customer. Standard size labels vary from 20 mm to 70 mm depending upon the need. Sometimes people forget the company or brand name, but they always remember the logo on the tag or labels. You can imagine the importance of tags and labels while making decisions of the customers. When you go for shopping, especially for clothing articles, the very first thing which you look for after looking at some design is the label or tag which is attached with the product. You want to know that it's washable or it can be dry clean, available size in the design, or it may be color fast or not. So it's clear that it plays a very important role in decision making while selecting any product. So labels and tags are the visual expression of brand's identity. Some brands simply display their logo, price and size on the label for the customers, and there is a separate label or tag attached with the product which deals with the customer care instructions. These customer care instructions are very important to utilize the product to its full life. Sometimes it also involves the safety of the product as well as the safety of the customer also. Care instruction fully guided the people or customer that how they will use the product, how they will wash it, wear it, iron it or dry it. It not only include the care instruction but also include the material constituents, that the fabric utilized is made up of natural fibers, it's made from synthetic ones, or it's a mixture or blend of both 50% cotton or 50% polyester, or it may be made from recycled yarn and is again recyclable. There are different types of labels and tags which are used in textile products, whether in home textile or apparels. These include printed labels, heat press labels, woven labels or hang-on tags. The selection of these types depends upon the customer information which is to be shared or the company policy. Sometimes a single type is used or sometimes a combination of two is used in the same product. Printed labels are very commonly used in textile products, especially in apparel. In this type, a small piece of fabric is printed with the information which is to be shared with the customer, which may include label, its size or some care instruction, which is later attached with stitching inside the garment. You may have seen that these printed labels are attached inside of the back neckline. In home textile product, these type of printed labels are also attached with the bed sheets or inner side of the pillow cover or cushion covers. In heat press labels, the information which is to be shared by the customer, which can be a logo or size, information is printed on the heat transfer paper with special inks and later transferred from the sheet to the garment by use of some iron or heat. medium. It transfers on the shirt directly, not later attached or stitched with the garment. So it eliminates the discomfort which may be arise due to the attachment of separate label or tag with a shirt. You may have noticed the kids who are very much irritated with the separate labels attached with the back of the shirts. So it's ideal for sportswear or for kids wear, as it reduces the friction which is present between the printed area and the skin. One of the drawbacks of using heat transfer labels may be that it is directly printed onto the garment or a shirt, so it directly contact with the skin of the wearer, which may result in fading of the printed material when we compare it with the woven tags or the printed labels. So its life is less as compared to other types of labels. Woven labels are the other type of labels which are commonly used with the textile products. These are cost effective and these are later stitched with the garment or the home textile product. Finer details like logos or words can be easily added to the information. These are long lasting as well as cost effective. Very fine quality threads are used for its construction. These are also attached separately to the product. Another type is hang-on tags. These tags are not stitched with a garment or a product. Usually these are attached with a string. The other side of the string is attached to the product. These are generally larger in size as compared to the other labels. So more detailed information can be shared with the customer due to the provision of the larger area. Hang-on tags may be made of fabric or it can be of cardboard paper. Normally cardboard tags are popular these days, but these are of short life, as when you purchase any garment or a apparel product, the very first thing which is removed before wearing is the tags. There may be a single tag or there may be a set of tags attached with the product. This depends upon the company policy as well as the product. In a case of multiple tags, normally one is printed with the logo of the company and there is a separate tag for the customer care instructions. Sometimes the company or brands deceive the customer by sharing the wrong information about its construction material or the service. Sometimes the performance of the product is not as much as it is offered or committed by the brand. It may be color fade, shrink, or maybe pilling occurs due to friction, and nothing is included in its care instructions. It's a right of the customer by law that all the necessary information is to be shared with the customer before purchasing, as not doing so can be very dangerous for the customer also. For example, the fabric is flammable and it is not shared with the customer, then it can result to a dangerous accidents. With this we are end up with the first part of the video, in which we have discussed about the brand labels, their importance and need of it. In the next part we will discuss about the special care instructions which are attached with the textile products regarding its functionality and usage. So stay connected with me. Allah Hafiz.